Hi everybody, welcome our channel. We don't make banana blueberry smoothie. What I call that?
Almond and cashew nuts.
First we need to put almond nuts. Now we need to put some blueberries. It's very cold. It's very cold.
Because these are frozen.
But it is frozen. And yes. No, that are done. Take your time. And yes, here. And make sure no look in here. Make sure no look you. Then we don't drop it. Then that's it. Now what's that? Banana. Only put banana. Now we need to put some honey.
Then you spoon to put it in?
Yeah.
That is cinnamon powder.
No cinnamon powder. Now we need to put cinnamon milk powder. Now yogurt.
Don't clean on that. Slowly.
It's a minute. Now we need to put some milk. What milk we need?
Okay.
Now it's simmers. Now put in here and put here. Press button.
That's it.
It's good and yummy now. Let me taste it. Yum.
You want to try?
Yeah. Let's turn this one up. Thank you everyone. Bye bye. Tomorrow I teach you how make smoothie with no blueberries and with no bananas too. Bye.